Welcome. Today you will be learning about codes and applications and the basic history of coding. The need for this lesson is to assist students that are interested in programming languages. The code application subject terms are listed below. You will learn a brief statement for each of the key terms included in this lesson. Please note that these are the basic languages of the learning curve on how to get started with coding. A computer program is a collection of instructions that perform specific tasks when executed by a computer. It requires programs to function and typically executes the program's instructions in a central processing unit. From the program in its human-readable form of source code, a compiler can derive a machine code, a form consisting of instructions that the computer can directly execute. On code.org, you will be utilizing this workspace to your potential. You will be using blocks such as actions, loops, functions, etc. The avatar on the left will draw the command you input into the workspace. Let's begin. The when run is ready for you to start a process. This includes using the blocks as seen on your left side. You will be using actions, loops, and functions primarily for this lesson. We will begin by selecting brushes in the block section. Select color and apply a random color. Or if you prefer a specific color of your own, feel free to apply it. We will now use loops. Select the repeat block and input 5 times and add it to the workspace along with the other blocks. Select the actions block and use the turn left by inputting 72 degrees. We will now be creating a function. Proceed to the blocks and create a function. Name your function and insert a text of what it is supposed to do. Proceed back to the actions block, only this time you will select a jump forward and input 150 pixels. And within the action block again, select turn left by 180 degrees. Still in the actions block, select turn left and input by 15 degrees. All these blocks are beneficial to the function you created. In the block section, select loops. Choose repeat and input 30 times. Select actions, move forward by 150 pixels. And within the same block, click on the down arrow and select backward. Go back to the action block and turn right by 1 degree. Your creative function block should look like the following image. Proceed back to the actions in the block and select the following. Turn left by 15 degrees, turn right by 180 degrees, jump forward by 150 pixels. The following image shows the final results for completing and drawing a star with the proper block. You will now need to move the created function, also known as drawing a star, to the blocks previously created in the workspace. Congratulations! A star is drawn. Test your skills that you learned by completing the assessment. Which of the following blocks draws a square? If you selected C, then you are correct. The degrees and pixels can be a bit tricky. This also applies to the block that sets the direction in which it moves towards to. In conclusion, you learned about how coding works, recognized the code.org workspace, created blocks, and inputted actions, loops, functions, and even created your own specific function to execute several commands. You also drew a star and completed the assessment. Feel free to explore more games and applications within code.org anytime. As always, keep coding.